Teacher explain it in various and different ways, and he is expert in this subject, particular subject, and he know how to explain it. If student or candidate didn't understand the first way, then teacher try to explain it a different way, or the second way.
Our teacher is only expert for a subject, a specific subject. If you want to expert on all over the subject, then you must have to hire a specific teacher for a specific subject. But computer is all-rounder.
Hello dear lovely student, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to have a fantastic session. You know what? Where's the session? Guess what? The session is all about debate session. This is the second segment of our Imperial Majestic Spoken English in terms of taking a debate session. In this session, we are going to have a fantastic proposition leader. Here is Nabila Afroz Arifa. On the other hand, we have a special opposition leader, Jannatul Firdaus Zahra. We would like to talk about something, and the topic is all about a computer should replace a teacher. You know what? A teacher and a computer, both of them are compulsory for modern technology, for class systems, and modern institutionalizations. If you want to do something make digital, you should apply both the instrument. But both the proposition and the opposition leader is claim that our topic is going to be much more superior than other. That means someone is going to tell that a teacher is better, and someone is going to tell that a computer is better. Now let's see who is going to be the better options. So first of all, I would like to give the chance to our proposition leader, Nabila Afroz Arifa, to talk about and to present her summary on basis of a computer should replace a teacher. Please have your session, dear.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. How are you all? I'm pretty well, as you can see. I'm Nabila Afroz Arifa from class 9 science department from Imperial Ideal School and College. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable moderator for giving me this floor to express my thoughts, and also thanks all of my audience. Today, me and my opponent will gonna make a debate session on a very interesting topic, and which is all about computer should replace a teacher. I'm in behalf of proposition and my opponent is behalf of opposition. Let me start the session. First of all, we have to know what is computer. Computer is something that can store find information, do calculation, and play music or control other device. Nowadays, computer is very important for us, and in our educational sector and many other sector, computer is very important for us. Think about the world, or imagine a world where all types of education is taught by computer, electronic device, or something like that. How perfect would be the education? The quality of the education would be much more higher level, and it will be much more equalized for all types of students. Now comes on the teachers topic. The people who taught us and helps us on our educational side is called teacher. Allah created us with many kinds of weakness and error. Teacher is also man, that's why she or he can do error or mistake. But computer computer doesn't do any kind of mistake. Then you can say that computer is made by man, and man also input her information, but you must have to remember that only a person doesn't give her information. In the worldwide, there are lots of people who continuously give information on the computer. That's why you must have to choose those information which is really correct. It's all from me.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much. Thank you, our proposition leader Nabila Afroz Arifa. She already mentioned about that why computer is much more superior than a manual teacher. That means a teacher who is not that much of digitalized or that much digitalized, we can say. Now I'm going to give the floor to the opposition leader, Jannatul Firdaus Zahra, to talk about on behalf of her topic. And the her topic is she is going to glorify a teacher. A manual teacher is much more higher than a computer. Please have your session, dear.
Hello everyone, this is Zara. Good morning. I'm from Imperial Ideal School College at the Department of Commerce. First of all, I want to give a very big thanks to my dear honorable monitor and all the audience who are listening here. We all know that today's our topic is a computer should replace a teacher, and I'm on behalf of the opposition side. And my opponent, Nabila, said that a computer should replace a teacher. He is the opposition leader. Well, let's start the session. First of all, I want to say that a computer is a technology, is a part of technology. It is made by a man. It's not made automatically. Man made it. First of all, I want to say, do you believe that computer is made by a man? Yes. Just think about the situation. First of all, you said that computer is made by a man. You believe that. And again, you said that it should be replaced by a computer or teacher. It's so much weird, you know. If a computer or device made by a man, so how you can compare it with a computer? We are, human are the best creation of the creator. So how you can compare it with a device? Also, teacher can understand what's gonna happen in a student mind. Teacher can understand a student than his parents because teacher spend 7 to 8 hours in a day with student. Also, if a student has a problem in a lecture or lesson, he or she can ask to the teacher that how it's solved or how it should be solved. Then teacher can explain it different way. Teacher explain it various ways. Some students didn't understand one way, and then teacher try to explain in a different way because he is expert in it. But computer can't. If you ask the computer a topic, then computer tell you in one way, but the computer it can explain you in a different way. Also, the students who are blind, they can't hear, they can't see actually, then they can easily understand the lesson by hearing the teacher lecture. And I personally believe a computer or a device should not be replaced a teacher. And that's all for my topic.
Thank you very much, Zara, for having a fantastic session. Please have your seat. I believe our opposition leader already cleared about that why a teacher, manual teacher, is much more important than a electronic device, a computer. Now we are going to have some logical explanations from our proposition leader, and she is now then Nabila Afroz Arifa. I would like to request our proposition leader to talk about it for logical explanations. Please have your session, dear.
My opponent mentioned teacher explain us a topic very easily and they can read our mind. But I think we can read our mind better than a teacher. When you can read your mind better than a teacher, then you can identify your weakness and your weak point. For improve yourself, then it will be much more better than a teacher. Then a teacher is only expert for a subject, a specific subject. If you want to expert on all over the subject, then you must have to hire a specific teacher for a specific subject. But computer is all-rounder. What kind of information you find in the computer, you can get all types of information, but a teacher do know everything from his side. And when we do class in our school 7 or 8 hours, we feel much more boring. But when we will be use computer in our educational sector, then the time of school or class will be short. Then the student will be get more chance to improve themselves and prepare their lesson at home. And think about the situation. Stay with you that time. Which time you will be get help from his or her, but computer is always with you. That's why when you need any information or help from computer, you can get any kind of information from any time. And it's all from me.
Thank you very much, proposition leader Nabila Afroz Arifa. Please have your seat, dear. Thank you very much, our proposition leader again. Now I would like to request our opposition leader, Janatul Firdaus Zara, to talk about on behalf of logical explanations to represent that a teacher is much more better than a computer. Please have your session, dear.
Well, first of all, my opponent claimed that computer can explain a lesson, but I don't believe that computer can explain any lesson like a teacher. Teacher can explain any topic in different and various way, and he is expert in this topic, and that's why he know how to explain it with the student. And computer can't. And you again and again say that computer is much more higher than a teacher. Who made this computer? Who made it? It is made by a man. So also you said that I mentioned that computer is all-rounder. Yes, computer is all-rounder, but if you ask to computer any question or any subject question, then it give you the specific answer. But if you tell to the teacher, he try to understand, he understand you, and that's why he try to understand you in his different way, because he is expert in this subject. He is expert in the subject, and that's why school hire is in this subject, particular subject. Also, you said that a student in school by study 7 to 8 hours, he or she feel bored. Yes, definitely. We are also student and we also feel bored. And that's why teacher try to explain and teacher try to feel something fun in class. He try to something understand, he try to explain something by fun fact, like they talk to us in his life historical life adventure, something like that. And he try to explain us the importance of education. He tried to explain us the importance of our aim. We have he tried to understand in different many ways. And also you said that if you stand in front of computer you can learn anything. There is no guarantee that every student are talk or sit the front of computer for the study. There are lots of students in our country that they use computer for their fun fact. They say to the parents that they are come to study, but they use it for their fun fact. They misuse it. And in our country, there are lots of students who are poor. They have no enough money to buy computer. Then don't tell me that they don't make a good result. Yes, definitely they make a good result. They make a good result than the student who use computer. They also make, but how? They discuss the matter with the teacher. So I believe that computer is not should not replace a teacher, and teacher is best, always best, because whenever computer is not here, then teacher is with us. So yeah, that's all for my part.
Thank you very much, our dear opposition leader, for your help session. Please have your seat. Now, I would like to invite our proposition leader to wrap up the session. You know, where this session is all about the summarizations and the logical explanations while comes together. So there is the ending speech and concluding speech to make it wrap up. Please have your session, dear.
My opponent mentioned earlier that expert teacher can give us explain us this topic very expertly, but in the worldwide there are lots of expert teacher who gives information and makes many other video script on the internet and computer session. Then you can only see when you get information from your teacher, just you are getting information from our expert teacher, but when you will be use computer, then you will be get information from all types of expert teacher who are exist in the worldwide. Then you can mention earlier that all the students will not be use computer as educational purpose, but think about the situation when our teacher take class, all types of students are very mindful in their class, they give full attention in their class, they don't give any attention, and you can mention earlier that the poor students are doing good result, but when it's not true that all the poor students do good result, they can also hire as a teacher, because expert teacher is much more expensive, and all the teacher are not expert. Some of teacher are like just name teacher, they are not really expert. Think about the situation, it's tomorrow will be your SSC examination, and in that night you are facing a problem and you forget this topic, and whose teacher will be come forward to help you? If you have any computer, then you can be find this solution in your computer, and you can be get it much more easier than a teacher. And I think a teacher not always energetic, sometimes he feel much more bored to take class, then but computer don't do it. And think about the situation when we see a drama or movie, we don't forget it recently or soonly, we forget it recently. If we make our educational side like a drama or movie script, then it will be much more easier for a student to remember it. And it's all from me. That's why I personally believe that computer should replace a teacher.
Thank you very much, proposition leader Afroz Arifa, for your fantastic session. Please have your seat. Now I'm going to give the floor to our opposition leader Janatul Ferdoz Zara to talk about and to wrap up the session.
Well, my opponents say that in our computer we can see different kind of video to understand a topic. First of all, please tell me who made the video? Teachers, right? The teachers made the video. If a teacher can't make this video, then computer has no work. And why people can't realize that Computer is a part of technology. If we can't control or if we can't browse it, it has no work. By controlling by a man, computer has work. Then you said that whenever teacher get a lecture in a class, students also feel bored. Whenever teacher explain in a class or explain a lesson in a class, yes, definitely some student take it fun way. But then teacher can angry with her and explain to her to understand or to concentrate on her study. But a computer can't. Who tell you? It is device tell you to concentrate on your study or a teacher? A teacher tell you to concentrate on your study. And also you say that all the poor students are not make a good result. So yes, if you tell that all the poor students are not make a good result, yes, all the students who are use computer, they also don't make a good result. Because all the students who have a computer, they not use it for their study purpose. They use it for different purpose. But whenever you are sit on the front of your teacher you can't teach or you can't cheat with your parents. Whenever you sit for a computer for a while study, definitely you sit for 2, 3 or 4 hours. And don't you think that everything is bad for you? And whenever you sit to the front of your monitor, it's harmful to your eyes, because it's whenever you sit computer, you lots of computer or lots of time in the front of computer, it's harmful to your eyes, and in future you have to face different kind of problems or diseases. But that a computer or a device or technology is made by a man, and that's why it not be compared to a teacher and it not be replaced by a teacher. So yeah, that's all for my part.
Thank you very much, dear opposition leader. Please have your seat. Dear audience, we have already watched that our proposition and opposition leader, both of them have already tried that who is going to be the much more better. Is it computer or a teacher? In a way, one of them already tried to talk about that a computer is much more better and a teacher is much more better. But think about the situation. A teacher can't be a versatile or all-rounder. Properly pick all the subject can't be handled by a teacher. But on the other hand, think about the situations. If I'm going to say the weakness of a teacher, that he or she can't be all-rounder. But think about a situation that a computer is operated by a power supply. If there is no power supply in the classroom, how you can operate a class without having the power supply? A computer can't operate it or can't be operated by its own self. There should have a operator just like a man. So both of them have strong logic. So in that considerations, I'm not going to let you down to who is going to be the winner here. The audience, you are here. Let me know about the situation, who is going to be the champion here. We are going to upload our video at Imperial Ideal School and College pages. We are going to upload and write down your comment sections and who is going to be the winner here. We are right after that will be known or will be informed who is going to be the champion. We are ready to announce the champion by your own judgment. That's all for today. Have a good day, dear. All the very best, and Allah Hafiz today.